And we have breaking news coming in, and this time it's coming in from the state of West Bengal. There's a setback to the Mamata Banerjee government right from the Calcutta High Court. About 5 lakh OBC certificates issued since 2011 will now be cancelled. And this case was made by RSS 14 years ago. The demand was that the castes which were in OBC category till 2010 should be cancelled and they should get reservation. Now let's go to Adrija, who has details of this very case. Adrija, it's a setback that's come in, but take our viewers through the background of this case.
Well, absolutely. You see, this is a setback that has come in from the Calcutta High Court now, who has issued that all the certificates of the OBC that were issued after the year 2010 now will be cancelled. However, the court have said that on the basis of humanitarian grounds, the jobs that people have received on the basis of these certificates, the OBC certificates that were issued to them by the state government, those jobs are not being cancelled on humanitarian grounds, but however the certificates remain cancelled till date after certificates issued after 2010 till date should remain cancelled. Also, the case that RSS had registered in Calcutta High Court a couple of years ago, they have in the case they have mentioned that all the people after 2010 who have got reservation, that is not right, that is not done in a correct manner, and they have also argued that all the people who should get reservation, the people who were a part of the OBC community, people who have been a part of this backward community, they are the only ones who should be getting the certificate, and therefore this case was registered in Calcutta High Court by RSS, and today the order has come in where all these certificates starting from 2011 till date will be cancelled.
So we're talking about 5 lakh OBC certificates, and there have been some allegations made in the past that these certificates were also given to members of different communities from minority communities. Is that charge true? And if you could tell our viewers more about it.
Well, absolutely. You see, these charges that are coming in now from the petitioner's side, it was said that when the case was registered by RSS, it was mentioned that the certificates were issued in a wrongful manner. They were not given to the people who deserve it. They were not given to the correct people who belong to this particular backward classes, but on the basis of other things like minority community or their religion basis. So therefore, this case was registered by RSS to ensure that only the people who are eligible, who belong to the community, gets these certificates, and therefore the court today have passed the order mentioning that everyone after who has received the certificate after the year 2010 till date will be remain cancelled.